5 fastest ways to make passive income at any age. Number 1, start a vending machine business.
Nope. Don't buy vending machines. Jesus Christ. Terrible advice.
You can easily pick up a vending machine from any of these sites, or you can just go on OfferUp and search a free vending machine. A vending machine can make you a passive income of $500 a month.
Oh, that would probably pay for your petrol. No, useless.
So with just 2 vending machines, you're making a passive income of $1,000 a month.
It's not right. Fuck me. Passive income doesn't exist. This person is being like, hey, buy a vending machine. Oh, a magical fucking vending machine that just restocks itself and delivers itself to wherever your location is and counts the money itself. Passive income doesn't exist. This is terrible advice.
Number 2, the helium miner. If you get your hands
Crypto. Enough said. No chance.
on a Bobcat miner 300, it can easily mine you around $2,000
Right.
a month.
If you have $2,000 to pay for electricity with how much electricity and utilities cost, and you want to lose all your money in crypto, do it.
You can easily purchase one on these websites. For faster shipping, use one of these. Number 3, couch flipping. Couch flipping is simply picking up used couches, cleaning them up, and flipping them for more. Just go on any of these websites and search a free couch. You can sell each couch from $200 to $600, depending on what type of couch it is. Let's say you sell 5 couches for $400.
I love it when people do this. Randomly make up bullshit numbers. Let's say you sell 1 million couches a year. You flip 1 million couches. Oh, it's easy to get your hands on 1 million. You know, they're $600 each. Boom, 600 million. Fantastic.
5 couches for $400 a week. That's $2,000 a week, and that's $8,000 a month. Number 4, print on demand. Print on demand is selling products.
Pod again. Literally fuck off. Everyone telling you to do pod, jump in the sea.
Design on there, and the design can be as simple as
Let me guess, what's the
you
last
just go
one?
on Shopify or Etsy to create a store, and then for the supplier you use Printful or Printify. You can sell anything like hats, glasses, jackets, shirts, leggings,
Hats,
mugs,
glasses,
etc.
jackets, shirts. All just generic shit that no one's going to want to buy from you because you haven't built a brand. Nope. Next.
And then whenever you get an order, Printful or Printify will fulfill your order for
we
you.
know
And for
what
tip
pod
number
is,
5,
mate.
check in the
Jesus
comments down
Christ.
below. 5 fastest ways to make
What
passive
the
income.
fuck? Where was the last one? Number 5. Oh, I love this.
Start a YouTube channel like everyone else.